Meaning of foreigner.
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 Foreigner. Foreigner is a term used to describe a person who is not a citizen or national of the country they are currently in. It generally refers to someone who has come from another country to live, work or study in a new place. Being a foreigner can come with its own set of challenges, such as language barriers, cultural differences, and sometimes even legal difficulties. However, it can also be an exciting and enriching experience, as it allows for exposure to new people, ideas, and ways of life.